Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Reveal Manager app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Reveal is a manager-focused business app designed to help teams monitor performance, track workflows, and manage daily operations more efficiently. Commonly used in workplace environments, the app gives managers tools to oversee employee activity, access real-time reports, assign tasks, and review productivity insights. It's available on both iOS and Android, offering mobile access to essential management dashboards. The app's main feature is its ability to centralize team performance metrics. Managers can track progress, view reports, communicate updates, and ensure tasks stay on schedule. It helps streamline decision-making by providing data-driven insights and keeps operations organized through easy task management and reporting features. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its clear layout, fast reporting tools, and mobile convenience, allowing managers to stay updated even when away from their desk. It's especially useful for team leads who need quick access to employee activity or task updates. Real-time data and simple controls make it easier to manage daily operations without switching between multiple tools. However, there are some drawbacks. Certain features may be limited without a higher-tier subscription, and some users report occasional syncing delays depending on the team size and network conditions. The app also depends heavily on accurate data entry from employees, which can affect report quality. Additionally, new users may experience a slight learning curve when navigating advanced features. In summary, the Reveal app may be worth using if you want a mobile-friendly way to manage teams, track performance, and access reports quickly. However, if you're looking for deep customization, advanced analytics without paying extra, or prefer desktop-based management platforms, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.